All right, in this final session of reading test, we are going to be looking at short answer questions. So let's start looking at it. And this is a final reading test lesson. So what are the activities that we're going to be looking at? We're going to be looking at surveying the text, straightforward. We start with surveying the text, skimming the text for gist, identifying keywords and synonyms, and paraphrasing, which is scanning. Scanning the text, reading for detail, the strategy analysis for dealing with short answer questions, and then we're going to do the test practice. So let's start. What is short answer questions? The test takers answer questions which usually relate to factual information about details in the text. This is most likely to be used with a text that contains a lot of factual information and detail, right? Test takers must write their answers in words or numbers on the answer sheet. Test takers must write their answers using words from the text. The instructions will make it clear how many words, numbers test takers should use in their answers. For example, no more than 3 words or a number from the passage, 1 word only, or no more than 2 words. If the test takers write more than the number of words asked for, they will lose the marks. Okay, so you have to be very careful that you are following the instructions there. All right, please note that the questions in the next the questions are in the same order as the information in the text. So that's very, very helpful. All right, so you will be your question number 1 will be in your first paragraph, and it will flow in the orders. That's a great news here. Short question answer assess the test taker's ability to locate and understand precise information in the text. Okay. All right. So I will start with first text for you. So you've got a text, you've got a bunch of, let's just survey and see, what are the things that are given to us in this text, how many paragraphs there are, what are there any pictures, a title, things like that. Just survey this text, and then let's just review some of the questions. How long is the text? It's about 1 1/4 pages, right? Does it have a title? Yes, it has a title. The title is A Bar at the Follies. Does it have any subtitle headings? No. Does it have any pictures or diagrams? No. Does it have a glossary? No. I want you to go and look at this article again, and I want you to skim the text and underline or highlight the correct topic sentence in each paragraph. I want you to highlight the topic sentence in each paragraph, right? Normally it's the first paragraph, the first sentence in each paragraph. So I want you to do that exercise first, and when you come back, I'll share the answers with you highlighted. The topic sentences. All right, let's look at the answers. So these are the topic sentences. In A, the first sentence is a topic sentence. In B, same thing, the first sentence is a topic sentence. In C, the second sentence is a topic sentence, give you an idea of the topic. D, the first sentence is a topic sentence. E is first sentence is a topic sentence, and F, it's first sentence, topic sentence. So the first paragraph is intro. Second paragraph is description of the painting. Third paragraph is doing the painting. Fourth paragraph is point of view. Fifth paragraph is reason for viewpoint. And the last paragraph, paragraph F, is distinction and discussion. Cool. All right, let's do this activity. Again, this is an online course. You will be working on your own. So look at question 6 to 10 and discuss in which paragraph you think the answer might be. Use the topic sentences to guide you. Be prepared to explain your ideas. Now, read question 6 to 10, right? For example, the first question is, who was the first owner of a bar at the Follies? Okay, so look at the paragraphs, and obviously your answers are going to be in order. So you will have first question number 6, question number 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. So that's how you would approach it, and you will find the answers. Okay, so use the topic sentence to guide you, right? In which paragraph do you think these answers would be? Right, let's look at the possible answers here. Question number 6, who was the first owner of a bar at Follies? This is slightly difficult, but it it is general information, so probably in the introduction, okay? Also, if the students have established that question 7, if you have established question 7, it was in paragraph B, then the answer question 6 must be earlier than that text, right? So question 7, look at the question 7, it is, what is the barmaid wearing, right? If it was in paragraph B, if you have established that, then obviously the previous answer should be talking about the owner of the bar, right? The first owner of the bar. It wouldn't be talking about the barmaid before the bar owner. That's just logical sense. But what is the barmaid wearing? Paragraph B, which describes painting, right? In which room is seen at the back of the painting? This is paragraph B as well, which describes the painting. Who is performing for the audience? Paragraph B, which describes painting. And 10, where did most of the work on the painting take place? Paragraph C, which describes doing the painting. Now, in this activity, you're going to be reading question from 6 to 10 and underline, highlight the keywords. The keywords are the ones you will scan for the text, right? Compare your ideas. You don't have to compare because you're doing on your own. This is an online course. So highlight the keywords in your questions. What are the keywords, all right? Highlight those ones or underline those ones. Pause the video here, do this exercise on your own, and when you come back, we'll review the answers. All right, I hope you had a chance to look at the keywords. What are you looking for? You're looking for who, right? So you're looking for a person. So who is your keyword? First owner is the keyword, so you're looking for the first owner. In 7, what? You're looking for a thing, right? What barmaid was wearing. Barmaid wearing, that is what you're looking for in your text. Which room? So you're looking for the place of which room is seen in the back of the painting, at the back of the painting, right? So you're looking for that. Who is performing for audience? Who is performing? You're looking for someone that is performing, the person again. Where? So you're looking for a place. Where did most of the work on the painting take place? You're looking for a place where it took place. These are all the keywords that you should be looking and scanning for in the article. All right, now in this activity, we are going to look at synonyms and other ways of saying the keywords in the questions. What are the other ways of saying the keywords? All right, pause the video here. Think about what are the other ways that you can find, and you could say the same thing in different words. Okay, and when you come back, we'll review the answers. All right, let's review the answer. Who, a name, right? Look for the capital letters or a title. First will be earliest, primary, original. Okay, so these are some of the words you may find in the article. Okay, owner, proprietor, could be used as a proprietor. Proprietor means owner, right? Room, it may not say in the article room, but it might say bar, entry, hall, dining area. These are some of the rooms. These are the names of the rooms, right? Performing, instead of performing, it might be saying acting, doing, presenting, right? These are all acts of performance. Where, work, so it might give you, this is the studio, atelier, hotel, family home, etc. Okay, these are some of the words you might find in the article. All right, now let's look at, let's do this activity on your own. Read the article, answer question from 6 to 10, read the article and write down your answers. Pause the video here, do this activity on your own, and when you come back, we'll review the answers. All right, let's review the answers. The answers are number 6 is Emmanuel Charbier. Number 7, A, Black Bodice. 8, Auditorium. 9, A, Trapeze Artist. 10, A, Private Studio. I hope you got your answers correct. Let's do next activity. In this activity, what are the synonyms, rephrasing of keywords below? How would you rephrase them? Let's just think about that. And how would you find that in the article? First owner, right? So what you want to do is basically underline or highlight that in the article, what is the word that is used in the article instead of these words. For example, first owner, what is the word that has been used? Pause the video here, do this exercise on your own. When you come back, we will review the answers. All right, let's review the answers. So in this one, you could see, the first, the answers, see the highlighted in the text. So the green ones, look at the green ones, and that's where it's highlighted. The first owner is basically, it doesn't say in the article the first owner, but it says originally belonging to composer Emmanuel Chabrier, right? So this is how you're going to find it. So you will not find exact word. You may find a synonym or rephrased word. Okay. Barmaid wearing. What is she wearing? Fitted out. So instead of wearing, it says barmaid stands alone behind her bar, fitted out in a black bodice. Fitted out is the word for wearing here. Room. It just gives you the room here. Through this mirror, we can see an auditorium. Auditorium is a room. Instead of room, it talks about the actual room. Performing, instead of performing, it says demonstrating, right? Demonstrating, proud. And then instead of work, it's work or take place, it says largely completed, right? That's the word that is used to kind of indicate where your answer is going to be. All right, sounds good. All right, I hope you were able to find the answers and rephrased and synonyms words in the article. Let's keep moving. Let's look at the strategy now. What are the steps that you will use? How would you approach this activity? Step by step. Let's look at methodology. I want you to pause the video here, do this exercise on your own. Think about, what you would do, read the question and underline keywords. Which one would you do first? And how would you follow all the instructions and the actions, basically, to tackle this type of question. Pause the video here, do this exercise on your own. When you come back, we'll review the answers. All right, the answers are right here. So basically, number 6 is something that you will do first. You will survey the text to see how long it is, what titles and headings, etc. are there. Number 4, you're going to skim each paragraph. So first, after surveying, you're going to skim the paragraph of each text and highlight the topic sentence, okay? Number 5, after that, summarize that content and make a note in the margin of the note box. For example, this one is introduction. This one is describing the opinion. This one is describing the conclusion and things like that. You will do that as summary for each paragraph, okay? Number 2, after that, read the question. So we're going to read the questions and underline the keywords, all right? Number 7, you're going to think about synonyms and other ways they may be expressed in the article, okay? Then number 3, you're going to go and scan the keywords in the article, appropriate paragraphs to find the answer. Number 1, put your answers on the answer sheet that's on paper or type in the answers if you're doing it on a computer. Cool. So that's how you're going to flow your methodology to be able to do this activity seamlessly. All right, let's keep moving. Let's do this test practice. So in this one, read out questions from 4 to 8. All right, pause this video here, read the article and try to find the answers in this article. Do this exercise on your own, pause the video here, and then when you come back, we will review the answers. All right, let's look at the answers. So answer number 1 is, this one is general training reading sample. All right, that's why it's a bit easier than the academic, but the answers are number 4, pieces of metal, 5 on the bottom, 6, $5, 7, the retailing manager. And it says no more than 3 words, so you can write that retailing manager, okay, because 3 words are allowed. And 50,000, number 8 is $50,000. Words in brackets are optional, they are correct, but not necessary. All right, that's the end of our reading. This is the end of our reading series. We had 7 lessons which prepared you and gave you an idea of different types of reading questions that you're going to get and what is the activity, what is the approach that you're going to take when tackling each of these questions. Always remember, the most important thing is that you survey first the article and the text, then you skim to get a general feel for it, and then lastly, you understand the keywords and you go and scan those keywords and write down your answers. In summary, that's all I had for the reading test. I wish you all the best for your reading test, and I will see you in the next section. Bye.